Good afternoon. Well, the Aussie share market had another positive day of trade. In fact, we ink our third day of green. We did fall at the open on the back of US equities closing in the red on disappointing corporate earnings results. However, our local benchmark, or the ASX 200, clawed back from those earlier losses with a bevy of local corporate news and broker upgrades, giving the market a rev up. And we closed high by the skin of our teeth, just 1 point higher for the day. Looking at where the votes of confidence were in the market today, well, property or real estate saw the most gains, followed by industrials and utilities. And this has been a trend that we've seen over the past couple of days, as these sectors, which are backed by real assets, tend to do well when markets are sour or when the business cycle is showing signs of slowing down. Bucking the trend today, we saw telcos claiming the worst performing post, down almost 1% or about 0.9% lower. But it really was at the play of a large communication provider, Amaysim, announcing that they issued about 12 million new shares onto the market. In terms of standout stories, one of my favourite gold stocks, called Gold Road Resources, they shot to the front of the pack today, jumping about 14 cents or about 14% after they were upgraded by a broker called Canaccord, upgrading their stock price by about 19%, as Canaccord gave Gold Road Resources a price target of $1.60, and today it closed under that at $1.17, implying that Gold Road Resources has got about 43 cents to rise. Macquarie previously upgraded Gold Road Resources to $1.60, but today's vote of confidence really came from Canaccord's upgrade, plus investors also digested yesterday's news that Gold Road announced to the ASX, really on the back of their gold production in WA coming out better than expected for the past quarter. And looking at the year in totality, they also announced that their gold production will be at the upper end of their guidance forecast for the year. So definitely plenty of votes of confidence there. WiseTech also saw a massive bounce today, a jump of about $2.20 or 8.5%, taking their shares back to where they last sat about 2 months ago, and it closed at $28.53. The rally today comes after WiseTech quashed those fresh fake remarks from the short selling firm JC Capital, and WiseTech also gave a vote of confidence, saying that they stand strongly by their strategy, technology and business model, and that will really fuel significant growth in the company, as well as helping global expansion. The company also reiterated their revenue will grow by about 26 to 32% in FY20, and their earnings, or EBITDA, will grow between 34 and 42%. That's compared to the same time last year's result. Meantime, we also saw Rio Tinto have a positive day of trade, as predicted this morning, after announcing a review of their unprofitable stake in the about 80% owned New Zealand aluminium smelter. What to watch overnight? Well, US futures are suggesting another negative session. According to the Dow futures, the Dow futures is currently pointing to a fall at the open of 60 points. Overnight, of course, we did see on Wall Street, the Nasdaq fell the most, down 0.7%. The S&P 500 followed, and the Dow lost the least, 0.1%, with Brexit uncertainty, McDonald's and Travelers profits really claiming the weakness. Gold is around $1,490. So if equities do fall, we can expect the gold price to bounce higher. The oil price is trading steady. However, if OPEC do announce that they'll be cutting production, and if those allegations are true, the oil price should rise. To have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow morning.